Today we have a video from Body Cam Lunatic, and the title of the video is "Stupid Mistake Will Cost This Man 90 Years in Prison." Oh my God.
On August 12, 2023, Sterling Heights police in Michigan attempted to make a traffic stop on Van Dyke near the intersection of 15 Mile Road. The driver, a 16-year-old juvenile at the time, who was now 18 years old, was not interested in stopping and led law enforcement on a very short
Ooh, that beat fire. Hold on. We got to run this back. Hold up. Run it back, DJ. Run it back.
On August 12, 2023, Sterling Heights police in Michigan attempted to make a traffic stop on Van Dyke near the intersection of 15 Mile Road. The driver, a 16-year-old juvenile at the time, who was now 18 years old, was not interested in stopping and led law enforcement on a very short chase that ended in the most horrific way possible. That split-second decision to flee altered the lives of 4 innocent people and his own forever. This is his story.
Damn. That crash looked crazy. Good old police chase. Oh, wow. Ooh, the car rolled. Oh my God. Holy.
You see your fucking head! Let me see your fucking head! Get the fuck out! Head! Get the fuck on the floor! I got him. Check on them! Are you fucking stupid, man?
Anyone else in the car? Check the car.
So fucking dog. Anyone else in the car?
No.
Come on, officer. Don't ask obvious questions. We know he's stupid now. Motherfucker dumb. Dumb as hell, man.
Close that motherfucker.
Hey, I gotta check on them.
Yeah, go ahead. What the fuck you thinking?
My
Just
bad.
killed somebody.
My bad.
Get up.
Dumb fuck, man.
Yeah, you fucked. I think there's just a dog in here, but yeah, it's just a dog. You okay? Is he okay?
Unbelievable.
Is he okay? Huh? My dog is okay. Your dog? You might have just killed someone.
While this idiot is worried about the dog he took on a joyride during a police chase, the other officers tend to the victims that this moron T-boned at a very high rate of speed.
Unbelievable.
Loaded, dude. It's fucking loaded. I got a back passenger, front passenger, and then one more in the car seat.
Can we? Are they talking?
No.
Hey guys.
He's talking right here.
Hey guys. Sir.
Watch your head, buddy.
Sir. Okay, he's talking. Sir. He's. Dude, look at right here.
This guy talking about his dog. Oh my God, the car!
Where's the child for this one?
The car, man! Oh my. This guy, man, and this guy want to talk about his dog? I get it. We like our pets, but man, talk about the disregard for human life, man.
Where's the child for this one? So this is it. There's no more babies.
There's just 2 people in the car.
No, and the baby. She crying?
A baby?
Why'd you run?
Huh?
Didn't mean to, bro.
What?
Come on now,
You what?
bro.
Why?
Bro, look, I was driving. I was driving good.
Is there something in the car?
No,
Then why would you run?
man. Bro. I see here, bro. Look, I was driving and then I was trying to take care of my dog at the same time. Are the people okay?
It doesn't look like it.
It doesn't look, bro. No. Bro, they're not okay. Bro. They didn't mean to, bro.
The key thing is the baby was crying. The driver was Agnel, and then they started CPR on the female. And the female appeared to be responding when I first made contact with her, right? So it could be some sort of state of shock or whatever it may be.
And that was the tragic story of this young man who was charged as an adult in August of 2025. There were parts of this story that I did not want to show out of respect for the victims. The vehicle that was hit was carrying a father, a pregnant mother, and a 2-year-old boy. The mother and unborn child succumbed to their injuries at the scene, while the father remains paralyzed. The young boy has thankfully made a full recovery. Travion Smith made a grave mistake that day and will pay the price.
Oh my God. What? This is sad, man. This is sad. What a piece of crap, man. Piece of crap, dude.
As an adult in August of 2025. There were parts of this story that I did not want to show out of respect for the victims. The vehicle that was hit was carrying a father, a pregnant mother, and a 2-year-old boy. The mother and unborn child succumbed to their injuries at the scene, while the father remains paralyzed. The young boy has thankfully made a full recovery. Travion Smith made a grave mistake that day and will pay the price by being charged as an adult. He will serve a sentence of 41 to 90 years for the following charges: second-degree murder, gross negligent act causing a miscarriage, reckless driving causing serious impairment, and fleeing and eluding an officer. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking and subscribing if you enjoyed the content.
Your life is over. Your life is over. Wow. 16 years old, life gone. Done. Done. What did he get on the low end? 44 to 41. So it'd be 57. Be 57 when he hit the parole board. You're done. You're done. You're coming. The next time you see freedom, you'll be in a box. Okay? It's over. It's over. They're not letting you out. Yes, you technically have an end, right? 90 years, you got that on the back end. Yeah, you technically, and 44 is the low end. You know what I mean? You could come out at 57, but 57, 58, somewhere around there. But that parole board not letting you out. You could be a model citizen. It's not happening. A pregnant mom, so that's 2, and you left someone paralyzed, and the baby, luckily the baby was okay or made a recovery, but man, that baby so fragile. Impact like that, heavy impact like that to a child. Hopefully it doesn't affect the baby when growing up. You know what I mean? Like, you deserve to serve every day of them 90 years. And when you come out, you coming out deceased in a box. That's it. In a box. That's what you get. That's what you get. Wow. So it feels so bad for the parents or for the family, man. Horrible. Horrible, horrible, horrible. I get these officers, man. 5 out of 5. You know, we don't talk about the things that those officers saw that day. You know, people don't talk about the things that they see at these crime scenes that are blurred out for YouTube and blurred out. Like, these people see some stuff, you know what I mean? And who's there to talk to the officers? Who's there to, you know, you can't talk to these people, man. You can't. That's why so much law enforcement turned to alcohol, man. I'm telling you. This is going on another rant, whatever, but you know, these guys got nobody to talk to about these types of things. You know, you don't want to bring work home with you, you know? So if you got a significant other and stuff like that, you don't want to be talking about what's going on at work, at home. You kind of want to keep it separate. And then the things that you do talk about, the general public don't understand. They don't understand. They can't even comprehend it. Going to a scene, probably seeing somebody's head decapitated or whatever. You can't talk about things like that. And these people it's sad, man. It's just, law enforcement is a tough thing. Tough. People don't even understand how tough it really is. I'm glad you made it till the end of the video. Before you go, if you want early access to YouTube videos before they get let out to the public, please consider becoming a channel member. And if you want exclusive access to videos that will not be on YouTube, please consider becoming a Patreon member. And I'll catch you in the next video. The links are in the description box.